Hi guys, here is our lesson 7 for Saxon. Today is Monday, September 14th. Okay, let's go ahead and listen to this word. Accent. Accent. How many syllables are there in the word accent? Let's clap it out. Accent. 2. Very good. Syllables are sounds in a word. Correct. There are 2 syllables. Listen for the first syllable. Did you notice anything I said differently? No, I'm sorry. Forget about that. Let's see. Almost every word in our language has an accent. Even one-syllable words such as me, so, I, Pat, and him are accented. So we don't hear the accent as easily on these words because they are only one syllable. But if a word has 2 or more syllables, it is much easier to hear the accent because the syllable is longer, louder, and higher than the other syllables. Let's try another word. See if you can hear the accent. Hold up 1 finger if you hear the accent on the first syllable, and 2 fingers if you hear the accent on the second syllable. Summer. Summer. It's on the first syllable. Good job. Let's try it again. Alphabet. Alphabet. Which part of the word was longer and stronger? The al. So the accent goes after al. Very good. All right. Let's see. Let's go over our letter cards, picture cards, and sight word cards. Here are our letter cards. You ready? Okay, here we go. I'm just going to show you and you need to say them out loud. We're going to start with the vowels. Good. Those are vowels. Now here are the consonants. Say the letters out loud. Very good. Awesome. Now let's do our picture cards, and then we'll move on to our sight word cards. Our picture cards, I say, and you repeat after me. You echo, okay? Apple, A. Acorn, A. Elephant, E. Equal, E. Inch, E. Icicle, I. Octopus, A. Overalls, O. Umbrella, A. Unicorn, U. Balloon, B. Cat, K. Dog, D. Fish, F. Goat, G. Hat, H. Jar, J. Kite, K. Lion, L. Monkey, M. Nest, N. Pig, P. Rabbit, Sun, S. Tent, T. Vest, V. Wagon, W. Yarn, Y. Zebra, Z. Fox, X. Very good. Now here are our sight word cards. I show you the cards and you read them out loud by yourself. Again, sight word cards are words that don't have a spelling pattern, so you need to memorize how they look and how they sound and how they're spelled. So I'm going to go through them really fast because I don't want you to sound them out. You should know them. All right. You need to read them out loud, okay? Ah. Awesome. Good job. All right. Now I need you to take out your Spelling high frequency word practice 7 looks like this. And I'm going to go ahead and give you the sounds of words, and you're going to write them down on the lines, okay? All right. For this time, I'm just going to give you all 29, and then at the end, I'll show you my paper so you can make sure it looks the same, okay? Apple, ah. So you write an A with a breathe. Elephant, eh. Inch, eh. Octopus, ah. Umbrella, acorn, a. Equal, e. Equal, e. Icicle, I. Overalls, o. Unicorn, u. Balloon, b. Dog, d. We're on 13 now, okay? Fish, g. Goat. Hat, ch. Jar. K. Cat, k. Kite. So that's a C with a back, comma, K. O, lion. M, monkey. N, nest. P, pig. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, tent. V, vest. W, wagon. Y, yarn. Z, zebra. X, fox. All right, your paper should look like this. If you need more time to write this down, you can pause the video now. Okay. Awesome sauce. All right. Now, we are going to spell some words that begin or end with a blend. So get your spelling and high frequency word practice sheet out. Let's turn to the back. You see here on the back, this is where we are, okay? Look at the back of the sheet, put your finger next to number 7 and spell the word drop. Write the letters for the word on the lines. So for next to number 7, I want you to write the word drop. D, R, O, P. How do we spell that, class? D, R, O, P, drop. Very good. Number 8, I need you to spell the word fast. F, A, S, T. How do we spell it, class? F, A, S, T. You need to write that down, okay? Next to number 8. Number 9 is plan. P, L, N. How do we spell that? P-L-A-N. So your paper should look like this. All right, let's practice coding some words like the ones you'll have on your worksheets today. So, practice, practice. Let's see, we have the word, this word. Who can help me code this word? All right, well, let's look. Is there a vowel? Yes, there's the vowel I. Is it long or short? Skill. It is short. So what do we put on the I? A breathe. Very good. Is there anything else we need to do? Nope, that's it. Let's read this word together. Skill. Very good. All right, here's the next word. Okay, let's look at this word. Let's code this word. Is there a vowel? Yes, there's the vowel A. Is it long or short? It's short. Very good. So do we put a macron or a breathe? We put a breathe over the A.
Mama.
How about the C? The C makes the K sound, so we put a back on it. So it should look like this. Cramp. Everyone say cramp. Very good. All right. Let's see. All right. Okay. So now let's go back to our spelling and high frequency word practice paper. We forgot to do the review and sight, or I forgot to do the review and sight word cards. So here are our review words that we had last week. We're going to write them down. For number 1, I want you to write the word meet. I'm sorry. Met. Two, I want you to write the word dot. 3, I want you to write the word mud. Very good. Your words should look like this. All right, now let's do the sight words. For number 4, I want you to write the word have. 5, I want you to write the word love. 6, I want you to write the word into. Very good. This is how your paper should look. All right, with these words down here, I need you to read them and then write them down one time next to it. So you read them and you spell them, okay, by yourself. Awesome. Thank you. All right. Let's see. I'm going to write these words down. I want you to echo these words first before I show you. So echo means repeat after me. So we have the words stop, step, stun. Everyone repeat those words. Stop, step, stun. What sound do you hear in each of these words? We hear the st sound, right? Now let's look at these words and see what's making that st sound. Put these words right here. Oops. It's really hard for me to do this. There we go. What letters do you think are making the st sound? S and T, that's correct. The letters S and T are making the st sound, and these are called a blend. A blend is 2 consonants that slide together so smoothly you can hardly hear each sound. They sound like one letter, but they're 2 letters. There are many blends in the English language. Some blends have 2 letters, and some blends have 3 letters. I'm going to give each of you we're going to go ahead and go over the different kinds of blends of sounds there are, okay? We have the word slip, sl, that's a blend, S-L. Strand, st, the S-T. Plop, pull, P-L. Snip, S-N. Trip, T-R. All right. You will be learning many blends, but we won't code them because you don't need to know any special sounds to read them, right? Awesome. So, this. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to code the words on this page and then read them to yourself, and then I'm going to ask you to do the back by yourself. All right? So let's look at, and what page are you talking about again, Ms. Youssef? I'm talking about worksheet 7. So we're going to go ahead and do the whole lesson. So worksheet 7. So let's look at number 1. It says he. How do we code he again? Remember, we put the macron and the accent. Very good. I'll show you my paper at the end to make sure it looks the same. Right now you need to follow along and do what I'm doing without looking at it. Okay, and then you can go back and check your work. All right, number 2, smell, smell. That E is a short vowel sound. Put a breathe on it. Number 3, flip, flip. The I, breathe. 4, frost, That's a short vowel sound. Breathe. 5, rust. That C needs a back on it. And the U, breathe. Number 6, flap. That A needs a breathe. Number 7, beest. That E needs a breathe. And then I'm going to go back. Number 5, you need to draw a line from the word crust to the picture crust. So far, your paper should look like this. Okay, moving on. Number 8 is rust. That U is a short vowel sound. 9, slim. The I short. Breathe. West. Short. Breathe. And then we need to draw a picture from the compass to west, because the compass is showing west. 11 is spin. The I makes a short vowel sound. Breathe. 12 is splat. Short vowel sound on the A. Breathe. 13, so. Long vowel sound. Macron and accent, because it's loud towards the end. In 14, swim. You put a breathe on the I. Let's draw a line from the picture swim to the word swim, and we're going to draw a picture from the word. We're going to draw a line from the picture spin to the word spin. Looks like this, like that little top spinning. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video here. Okay. Awesome. So what I'm going to ask you to do is you are going to do the back that says homework 7. You're going to do that part by yourself. Take a picture of that and turn it into me on this lesson on Google Classroom. If you're having a hard time attaching the picture onto this lesson on Google Classroom, send it to me in an email, but make sure you title on the subject line. Make sure you write homework Saxon Lesson 7 so it doesn't get lost. Okay? All right, guys. Have fun learning. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.